Hey everyone, so I'm here again with a new video which will explain why WhatsApp used Erlang and why not Google bought WhatsApp. Why, WhatsApp went to Facebook. So, what's so special about Erlang? First, I'll explain Erlang and then I'll explain the Google thing. So, what's so special about Erlang? So, the very first thing that is it's the scalability that is inbuilt in the language, and one of the reasons is because it is developed by keeping the telecom platform in mind. Platform as in the telecommunication that we use. Uh, Keeping that in mind, one engineer at Ericsson developed it. So the basic very good functionalities available in Erlang are itself support fault tolerance and scalability. So when I say it itself support fault tolerance, what does it mean? So it means is that whenever there's a process which is failing inside the link VM, that is Beam, it will restart it by itself. You just have to define a policy in your application, and that will be managed basically by a supervisor. So what happens in Erlang is for each application you have to define some supervisors. Those supervisors will take care of all the processes that will run inside the VM in your application. So if you have a collection of applications, each application will have a supervisor on top of them, then which is like the master application, which will again have one more supervisor which will take care of all the supervisors. And there are policies using which you can define how many times you want to restart a process and how exactly you want to restart a process. Do you want to completely restart it? Do you want to lose the current state or not? So all those things are taken care by Erlang in the programming language itself. And one of the very important things and very interesting things in Erlang is that without any downtime you can push new releases. That is hot swap of codes. It's widely supportable in Erlang. So let me give you a scenario. Say for example, you are using a phone. You are on a phone call, and someone at the back swapped the code, and the call got disconnected. So it doesn't fulfill the purpose of itself. So that's why Erlang supports all these features by itself. And what's so special in WhatsApp apart from Erlang and some other things? So as I said in my previous slides, there are two things: Beam and custom XMPP. XMPP, it's one of the technology, one of the, it's not a technology, it's a protocol. So one of the protocol that is being used in Facebook chat as well as this WhatsApp. So this is a protocol which is like standard to transfer, uh, which is a standard, which is a communication protocol, I can say, to be very fair. So what it does is it works as a middleware for transferring data in XML format or in structured format for any network entity. So that's what is the basic purpose of XMPP protocol. So eJabber is a server that is customized by WhatsApp and Facebook according to their needs in order to transfer the data. So you might be getting an overview of how we are transferring the data from one phone to another. It's going to some machine, and from there you're transferring the data in structured format from one machine to another machine. So eJabber is one of the server that is being used to handle all those purposes. I'll in the future lectures in after another 1 to 2 lecture, I'll post a video in which I'll explain the formal architecture in a diagrammatic format. So that will give you a better idea of how exactly it works. Now custom patches to Beam. So Beam itself was not exactly supporting all the functionalities that WhatsApp wanted. So since the engineers that were working on WhatsApp at that time, they were the co-founders itself. So they made some custom patches to Beam because they had some quite some experience in WhatsApp because they were working in Yahoo. So both the co-founders are from Yahoo. Both the co-founders of WhatsApp are from Yahoo, and they have worked in technologies like this, telecom platforms, OTP. It's the standard for Erlang. There are no patterns and anything. there's just one standard that is called OTP in Erlang. So XMPP I have already explained what it is, and this thing I have copied from Wikipedia. So I'll post all the links and the information from where I gathered everything, the links and information. Like post everything in the description of the video. So what exactly is the reason of FB and WhatsApp bond? I mean, why not some other companies tried over it, and why WhatsApp went to Facebook only? The reason was the reason that some other company like Google didn't bought this WhatsApp was solely interested in some companies like Facebook, because they have some application called Facebook Chat, which is kind of similar to WhatsApp, and they thought that that's a better fit for them instead of Google, and Google was kind of rival to Facebook, so that's why they thought that we are the Facebook is the better match for them instead of Google. That's why they didn't went to Google. Google tried a lot in order to buy WhatsApp. Even they wanted to bid more than $19 billion, but due to these reasons, because WhatsApp thought that FB is a better fit for them, they went to. So that is like one of the main reason. And one very important interesting thing is the Facebook chat that started as a hackathon project. They started, I guess, in 2007 as a hackathon, and in one day itself they started it, and after starting they built a team. The team itself was not more than 5 to 6 guys who built Facebook chat. So one very interesting thing here is that Facebook was worried about WhatsApp. Why it was worried? Because the number of users was increasing day by day, and they were thinking that their chat service might die because WhatsApp was that popular. So they saw WhatsApp as a threat to themselves, and that is one of the sole reasons they bought WhatsApp. Facebook bought WhatsApp. Now what they have is they have complete control over WhatsApp. They can integrate like their Facebook features to WhatsApp. Like in one of the recent updates to WhatsApp, what you can do is when you are setting up WhatsApp, you can do everything from your Facebook profile. You can gather every information from the Facebook profile. So like the two co-founders that WhatsApp had was John Com and Brian Acton. They both were from Yahoo. They were working in Yahoo, and they opted FreeBSD. As I said in the previous video, that FreeBSD is one of the operating systems which is being used by WhatsApp. So they used FreeBSD because they had some relatively kind of experience. That's why they use FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a Unix-like operating system. It's not a Linux-based operating system. So why Google wanted WhatsApp? Because one of the reason was FB was a social networking rival. Google Plus was not working that much great, and they never wanted some another company to take care of the market, to take control of the market. So that's why they wanted WhatsApp, and they had like very great number of active users. And at the time when Facebook bought WhatsApp, 450 million active users. They had 50 million active users at that time. By the end of 2015, they had 900 million users. I'm sorry, it's not active users. It's 900 million users by the end of 2015. And Facebook, as I said, WhatsApp was kind of interested with FB because they have a dedicated tech team working, and they were like a perfect fit. That's what they thought. Even one of the very interesting thing is that time Google's owner Larry Page went to the owner of WhatsApp, the founder of WhatsApp, and they had like discussion of why they wanted to bid for more than 19 billion, and when the founder of WhatsApp didn't agree on it, what Larry Page did was Larry Page went to the investors of WhatsApp, and he said that I want this company, and no matter what the cost is, whatever Facebook will bid, I'll bid more than that. But still it didn't happen. WhatsApp went to Facebook. And there are some other interesting applications which are like built in Erlang. And eJabber, like I was talking about eJabber previously, eJabber is also a server which is built using Erlang. There are like some other modern databases like Couchbase which are built using Erlang, and Aerospike is also a database. Both are key value databases like Redis, so they are also built using Erlang, and they're fast in comparison to Redis. So you can say for soft real time communication or soft real time application, Erlang is a very suitable language in comparison to C or some other languages. So some other applications or other apps which are built using Erlang: Facebook chat, as I said, WhatsApp, WeChat, and Line chat. So that's it guys for today, and just keep connecting and keep yourself updated to the latest information. I'll keep you guys posted with the latest information in the videos, and just subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.